If you're on the hunt for some high quality hedge shears, let me introduce you to these. I just spent a lot of time trying to find a great pair as we have a lot of boxwood to hedge. Now these are handmade in Japan from a town that is renowned for making precision level products. These shears are Japanese steel and they have a very beautiful and clean cut as you slice back and forth. Really, really nice to hold on to. And the handle is oak and it's been varnished, very clean and beautiful. And with the stickers off, they look even cleaner. And these pro grade shears can cut through a 1/2 inch branch, no issue, but they're really designed for precision hedging. Really beautiful with that length. It will give you that nice cut around your bush or whatever plant you're trying to hedge and make it just look gorgeous. And I also really appreciate that it comes with a cover. So when not in use, they're much safer with this on. Now my main project with these is going to be hedging boxwood, which is a very new thing for me, but I know that these will help make quick work of that and give me that precision cut I'm looking for. So I'm not just going at them with short little shears. You definitely want the long blade for a better, cleaner cut when you're hedging. And here they are close up. You can see right here, made in Japan. Just beautiful, super sharp blade. Really clean. And then it's hooked on really well on these oak handles that are just lovely throughout. So if you are looking for a pair of fantastic hedging shears that you can have for life as long as you sharpen the blades from time to time, get these.